Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Etsy today. By the way, the Sherwin-Williams thing that I talked about yesterday, I got several emails about that, essentially telling me how it resonated with them when I mentioned about the stock split effect can have the stock go one of two ways depending on whether funds are buying it because whether the stock's going up because funds are really interested in buying it and can't find enough supply, in which case if the stock splits 2 or 3 for 1, that supply is going to make it easier for funds to buy the stock, meaning the stock ain't going to go too far. Or if the stock absolutely tanks, then you know that that is the reason. It's not like there's some huge demand for the stock. It's just that there is some demand and it wasn't available. So as soon as it was available, the stock tanked. We're not seeing that. We're seeing this actually go higher. So that's a good thing. And for a walk down memory lane, here's an older one. I think this is the time, we looked at this stock back here where it was below 600. Now's the time when you would want to be taking, say, some partial profits on that. Maybe even taking it all off the table. It just depends on how you trade. I can't tell you how to do that. So anyway, my stock of the day is Etsy. It's a little kind of a different kind of trade. You'll see the stock trading below the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is actually drifting lower now. So this is, it's been struggling for a while. However, the uptrend's still intact. This is a pretty simple trade idea. I would say if the stock runs above this downtrending line here, that's when you want to go ahead and buy the stock. I would take a small position. You could even take it now if you wanted, but you need to give it, I wouldn't give it any more than 5%. You can't really put your stop down here. If the stock falls down much below 200, well, you weren't early, you were just wrong. And so you got to get out. But you could start a position here or just wait a little bit, watch and see if the stock gets above 215 maybe. And if that's the case, if it does that, then you have a pretty good sense that this stock has just been consolidating and you're going to see an upside resolution every other time over the last year. This is what it's done. The only question is this time going to be different? So anyway, that's all I got for you. I'll see you guys next time.